Okay, so on the motherboard, I'm going to just talk about a few of the components and things that are on here and maybe remove a couple of things. The first thing, this is your processor, or central processing unit. It's essentially your brain for your computer. And if you kind of touch it, you'll notice it doesn't move on there, right? It has a little release mechanism. That's this little bar, and if you just gently pull it to the side and lift it up, it'll stop. And then that'll allow you to remove your processor chip, just like that. Now these are called zero insertion force processors. What that basically means is that it doesn't take any force to put them in. You just kind of sit them in there, and they're keyed to only go one way, and I'm going to show you how that works. In one corner you'll have this number 1 spot, which is, a little arrow. See that? And it's only on that one arrow, and it's also on that side. So they kind of tell you. And on the slot itself down here, there's a little arrow. So what you do is you make sure that those two are pointed that same direction. If you do that, you shouldn't be able to mess it up. So it'll go back in there only that one way. It just sits in there, and you'll know it went down. Now if you sit it in there the wrong way, you'll notice it doesn't go down. It just kind of sits on there, and it's not right. So it'll only go one way. And then to fasten it back down, you just pull that down, and it just latches like that. Okay? So that's your processor unit.